In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter leads in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly focus on the leads that matter most, without getting lost in extra menus. First, open your Pipedrive workspace and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Leads and click it. This takes you to your Leads inbox, which is the central place where all incoming prospects are collected before they become deals. If you don't immediately see leads, make sure you're in the correct workspace view and that your permissions allow access. Once the leads inbox loads, you'll see a list of entries and their key details, like labels, owners, and recent activity. Next, move your eyes to the top right corner of the leads inbox list. Click the filter button there. It often looks like a small funnel icon. This opens your filtering panel, which is where the real magic happens. Filters help you narrow down a large list so you can act faster and more precisely. For example, following up on new leads added this week, or viewing only the prospects assigned to you. Inside the filter panel, select the criteria you want to use. You can filter by common fields such as lead owner, label, source, status, and date added. Choose what's relevant to your workflow. If you're managing a team, filtering by owner helps you review each person's pipeline. If you're prioritizing outreach, try filtering by status or last activity to find leads that haven't been touched recently. If your account uses custom fields, those can also appear here, giving you even more control. You can combine multiple conditions to get a very specific list, like leads labeled high priority that were added in the last 30 days. As you adjust your selections, your list will update automatically, or you may see an apply button depending on your layout. If the results feel too narrow or too broad, tweak a condition or remove one until the list looks right. And if you need to go back to your full view, simply clear or reset the filter. That's all there is to it. You clicked Leads on the left sidebar, opened the filter from the top right of the list, and selected the criteria that surface exactly the prospects you want to see. With this quick routine, you'll spend less time searching and more time following up. Thanks for watching, and try this right now on your own leads inbox to keep your pipeline focused and actionable.